Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as we all know, Diwali is just around the corner. So let's welcome this Diwali with some delicious sweets recipe. So today I'm going to show you a Oreo biscuit recipe and I will make this in 3 different types of sweets with same mixture. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First, we will start with the chocolate balls. Here I've got 3 packets of Oreo biscuit. In each packet we got 12 biscuits. So total we have 36 pieces of Oreo biscuits. After that we need to separate cream from the biscuit and collect it in a different bowl. So we are done separating cream from the biscuits. After that we just need to mix the cream and knead for few seconds and then keep aside. After that transfer the biscuit in grinder and make a fine powder. Make sure there is no any biscuit left in the grinder. You need to make a fine powder like this. Next, here I am adding ready-made Amul chocolate syrup. You can add any ganache whatever is available to you. You need to add approx 3 to 4 tablespoons. Also you need to add some milk. Mix everything and we need to make a soft dough. Gradually keep adding little milk. So our dough is ready. With this we will make 3 different types of sweets. Next, take some dough, flatten it out, then put the cream mixture and make the round shape. Similarly, repeat the procedure. My 5 chocolate balls are ready. Here I've got some desiccated coconut. If you don't have, then put some dry coconut in mixture and grind them. Coat with the coconut and keep aside. So I've coated only 3 chocolate balls. You can serve without coconut also. Both taste delicious. After that we need to keep in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to set. After 10 minutes remove from the refrigerator. So I will cut and show you how it look like. It looks beautiful and the cream which we have stuffed inside gives this Oreo balls a different looks and it tastes yum. So our first recipe of Oreo biscuit is ready. Next we will start our second recipe which is a Kaju Katli. Take some dough and transfer in a flat plate. Then spread it all over the plate. Once you're done, we need to keep in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove from the refrigerator. By using a sharp knife, cut vertically then diagonally. Once you're done cutting, then transfer in a fresh plate. So our second recipe of Oreo biscuit is ready. Now this is our third and last recipe. Add some dry fruits in the mixture. Mix and knead for few seconds. After this, by using your hand, just make a round roll. Then transfer in a plate and keep in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, by using a sharp knife, start cutting from the corner. So our third recipe of Oreo biscuit is ready. Do let me know how you like this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.